Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ajman Car Souk, Ajman Car Market. Welcome, guys. So, guys, we have added some new collection. So, I was wishing to show you one complete more video that I have collection. Toyota RAV4 21 model, Nissan Altima 21 model. Here available all type of used cars. You can get on bank finance, you can get on cash behalf. Everything is available. Just you have to bring your some documents. If you want to go through cash, you can do. If you want to do bank finance, you can do. Also here Genesis GV70 23 model. It's like a brand new, only use 300 kilometers. And available also Toyota Camry. I know some Camry lovers. Mostly our Pakistani Indians brothers all are Camry lovers. Here Kia Optima, if you like Kia. So have also Kia Optima, Hyundai Elantra 2019 model, and Nissan Sentra available. Nissan Sentra 2019 model, Nissan Altima 2017 model, black edition, and also Honda Civic 21 model. Honda. I now have many more Civic lovers, as well as Beetle, female's favorite car, Beetle Volkswagen. So if you have choice Beetle, you can also visit. And also available Nissan Altima 2017 model in grey color with minor damage, with best price. Also have Nissan bus for delivery purpose. If you are working with a company, if you have a company, you can also choose this one. And also have Ram 150 22 model with the best price. Here also have Ford 150 pickup, Ford 150. If you are a Toyota Tundra lover, also available in 21 Toyota Tundra, also with best price, with best conditions. And that one is family car. This one also Ford Edge. After that also have one more Toyota Tundra available in stock, 21 model also. If you are a Hyundai lover, Hyundai Palisades, also 21 model with toppest calligraphic features. And also have Nissan Sentra 2019 model with full option and best price. And also have Nissan Altima 21 model with full option, sunroof, each and everything, also with best price. Ford EcoSport, low oil consumptions. It's 1.5 liter with 4-cylinder, 22 model, only used 200 miles. Jeep 2019 model, Jeep Renegade. Oh yeah, welcome here also. If you are a kicks lover, kicks. Kicks wale bhaiyo. Blue and black. 2 pieces in kicks. That one fully black edition. And one more here I have. Mazda CX-30. Mazda 21 model. This one dark blue color. It's really amazing car. Good looking and with good price. Here everyone's choice. Mercedes. And also here that one GLC 300. Also one more here, Mercedes. That one A220 2020 model. Red and black. Here also a BM. ब्रांड का नाम ही काफ़ी है. BM 21 model also. Amazing price. White and red interior. Also have here one more Mercedes 2019 model. Dark blue and beige color. Here we go. Lexus IS 300 21 model with super amazing condition. And here we have one more. That's amazing one. Wow. By its look you can see which one is car. But I can inform you also. That one I have Ford Mustang 21 model with toppest options. Wow, what a look, man. And here, you know guys, Toyota Tacoma is very demanding car. It's very powerful, strong car. Toyota Tacoma. So it's not finished. Still I have more collection that I want to show you all. That ever you have time, you wanna visit, you can visit me. If you are a small car user. Available in low budget. That one, Kia Picanto. We said Kia Morning, Kia Picanto. This one, you can say for small work use. You can use for your family persons, like your sister, your wife, anyone can use it to go on duty anywhere. Kia Sportage 2020 model, full options, good price. You can do finance, anything. Hyundai Santa Fe 22 model. That one also family pack car with 5-seat 2.5 liter engine with 4-cylinder. And here we go, Mass one. We can say it sister of Bentley, sister or brother, anything you can say. GV80 Genesis. That's one such a massive car. It completely looks like Bentley. That's why I always call him that brother or sister of Bentley. Here also one more Kia Sportage 2020 and also full options. Also here have Kia Seltos 21 model with full options. So guys, I have show all my collection that I have right now. Every day we have some new changes, new collections, so keep in touch to know what we have new. So guys, here have everything available, bank finance, cash, everything. Even on zero down payment, you don't have money, no issue, don't worry, just bring us your documents so we can proceed easily whatever you want. And always I try my best to give best price to my clients, my family, that they can always visit me सो भाइयों, जितना जल्दी हो सके विज़िट करें। जिसको भी गाड़ी चाहिए बैंक फाइनेंस पे, 0 डाउन पेमेंट पे, वो मुझे विज़िट कर सकता है। सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके आ जाएं इंशाल्लाह। डॉक्यूमेंट्स में क्या चाहिए होगा? आपका सैलरी सर्टिफिकेट, योर सैलरी सर्टिफिकेट, शहादत रातिब, 3 मंथ बैंक स्टेटमेंट, 3 महीने का बैंक का स्टेटमेंट, 13 और कशफी साहब, और कमान आईडी वीज़ा पासपोर्ट की कॉपीज़, आईडी वीज़ा पासपोर्ट कॉपीज़। जस्ट ब्रिंग दीज थिंग्स एंड come to me. Habibi, as he said, come to Dubai. I want to say, Habibi, come to Ajman Cars Souk. So, I'm here to say you welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you.